what would you say to somebody who is thinking about joining the Profit Formula, the publishing academy? They're on the fence. They're like, I don't know. What would you just say really quick to that person?
Yeah. So, personal experience, right? We paid $2,500. This was a couple years ago, or a year ago, or so.
Year ago.
Um, Fast forward last month, we made 8 grand. It paid for itself. Now, we didn't pay and do nothing. We actually did the work. So you gotta ask yourself, we were in a position where we didn't even have the 2,500 to invest into it. We had a credit card that we maxed out, but that put a lot of pressure into us. So all I'm saying is, if you're on the fence about it, i- if you're on the fence about it, I would say just do it, man, because it only takes 1 or 2 months to actually get the money back if you actually do what you're supposed to. And also, you can make that one thing you've said actually. Let me point back to one thing that you say. You say that
Mhm.
one book can recoup all the investment that you've made over the last like 5 years. And that's very much true for us. So think about it in a perspective of you're not spending money, you're investing money, and that money is gonna pay itself in the long run. So if you keep waiting and rethinking about your decision, time is just gonna keep going, and you know things may not work out. But I would say it for sure. Um, Make that decision fast, lock it in, and guess start moving your feet basically.